Coming to the second lecture, I want to discuss about the real-time applications of Python. Before going to the next topic, first you need to know real-time applications of Python. This is a module is very important in order to know where this type of application, where this type of language will be used in real scenario. They listed some of the things. First application is web development. Python plays an important role in web development. Web development means where you can use like HTML, scripting language, cascading style sheets, Ajax, and so on, XML. Everything can be supported in web development, and this type of things is supported developed in web. And next one is game development. Most of the games developed using Python only, because first it was introduced with Java and it can be enhanced with Python. So game development also very important. It plays major role in Python. Based on this aspect, some certain games can be developed. And for example, take example of cricket. Some, yeah, this type of game can be done programming using game development. And so many games are there, like mobile apps games, and flash games, flash player games. Everything can be supported with Python. And third one is machine learning and artificial intelligence. This type of Python can be supported machine learning and artificial intelligence. Why means it can sense the number of agents and can detect the sensors, and where the learning can be happened. Suppose if you touch anything there, it can be sensed easily. And the number of the machine learning agents can be invoked. Training and learning are the important key factors in developing the Python. And artificial intelligence also play a vital role in Python. Like best example of artificial intelligence is robots. Robot can talk and everything, and directly it will teach. Nowadays, without humans, robots also introduced in Python, because no interaction with human, and the robots play an important artificial intelligence where robot can teach classes without any interaction with human active. And next one is data science. One of the extravagant technology is data science. This data science also plays a vital role. And coming to the data science, and vast data can be collected by supporting number of science applications. And visualization of the data can be seen using some graphical representation, tabular form, and so many are there. By seeing this, you can visualize the data, supporting data science. And finally, Python application can be developed based on data science and data visualization. And next one is desktop graphic user interface. A best example of desktop graphic interface is CAD, like design, and any interface, like for example, command line interface, and Python interface, and shell script. These are the important things that can be supported in desktop GUI. And the next one is web scraping applications. Number of applications can be developed on over web. Some connection from semantic web can be seen. And what is web? Some websites can be developed and collected. And this type of scenario can be seen in scraping applications. Number of HTML applications can be seen. CSS cascading style sheets can be developed. So proper design can be made in web scraping applications. And next one is business application. Number of business applications can be seen by marketing data. So marketing strategies can be applied with certain business tools. So different marketing tools can be applied in this scenario by using Python tool. And next one is audio and video applications. Python can be applied with audio, where we can listen to the music and where we can see the picture in video application by using the development of Python. And number of multimedia applications can also be introduced using Python. Number of CAD applications can be developed using three-dimensional design. So this type of scenario can be observed in Python as a real-time application. And last but one, embedded application. Here, embedded technologies can be introduced using Python. Number of applications can be embedded Uh, this can be mainly used in the this embedded system design, like a very large scale integration, very large scale integration. So these type of things can be observed in Python. That's it. Please keep watching on this channel. Next lectures can be uploaded.